showwindow of the National Police Training Institute. Today marks another milestone in the life of the police trainees. The recognition rights of the Public Safety Basic Recruit Course, Mandaling Silas, Batch 2024-02, classes Alpha to
nila. Ano yan? Ay, nag-gulay. Pilutang gulay. Gulay? Oo.
Stop! Tawag! Maganda!
Maya, paamang kami mayo? Bisan mo na. Patindog lang ko rin.
You have just heard the sound of the attention call, which signals the entrance of troops. In a short while, you will see young men and women marching in front of you, in cadence with martial music played by the NCR PO Band.
Stop! Tawag! Ay, counter!
Papasok pa lang sila. Ito na.
Hindi agos dalay.
Kaya na po, pumapasok na ang Masitalik Silas 2024-02. Kaya na. Papasok na sila sa open field ng NCRPO Grandstand. Kaya na po, matitigas o.
Masitalik Silas was founded and began its term on December 20, 2024.
Matitigas yung mga first training o.
Committing sought the name of the Philippine National Police Service. With its almost 8,000 applicants, there were 1,500 of them who successfully stand and called the best of the best. In the selection process, these 1,500
Cuma letter D ka danto, letter
were
D.
divided
Umang
into groups to train themselves the different zone-based regions. 455 were selected to home themselves in the National Capital Region Police Training Center. The class Mandaling Silas was formed with the vision of molding individuals into true warriors, brave, selfless, and sharp-minded. The name itself reflects the core values that define its members. Mga mandirigmang handang magligtas na may kaakibang na sipag at talas. Warriors ready to sing, armed with diligence and sharpness. From its inception, Mandaling Silas has stood as a beacon of resilience and excellence. Its members are not only trained to be strong and courageous, but also disciplined and intelligent, ensuring that they with both strength and wisdom.
Tapos siya era letter D. Letter D.
Unity, honor, and service, striving to make a lasting impact on the community and beyond, especially to the Philippine National Police.
Training ka naman.
As time goes on, Mandaling Silas continues to inspire new generations to live by its guiding principles, proving that true warriors are not just those who fight, but those who live, protect, and preserve with unwavering dedication and clarity of mind. Once again, the Mandaling Silas. Mga mandirigmang handang magligtas na may kaakibang na sipag at talas.
Yung may flag may nasa... Ha? Atong dito ba daw?
Ladies and gentlemen, the PSVRC Manadaling Silas, Batch 2024 does Year 2, classes Alpha to India, in regimental formation. You have just heard the sound of the adjutant's call, which signals the start of the parade and review. The adjutant designates the Alpha Company as the best company, therefore all the other companies align with it. In a brief manner called the adjutant chart, the adjutant positions himself between the line of troops and the troop commander.
Against the sun yung Saan ba yung anak mo? Saan?
Ayan siya. Ayan ako may nakaharap.
Dalawa. Yung sa 5 na yan?
Sa 5 na to. Yung una, tapos yung parang
Ay, no. Mabuti na yan, no? Galing.
Hayo gamay. Wala pa na ba tayo dito? Wala kang tayo. Anong platon letter yung anak mo?
Platon commander.
Siya, anak ng Chelsea pa ba tayo? May sexy.
Ay, madali! Ay, di ka yan. Mukha, mukha mo.
The adjutant directs the captain of the respective platoon to take their posts. He then directs the regiment to execute parade rest for the sound off of the NCR PO band.
Shuai Delta ang kano to eh. Shuai Delta ang kano to eh. Shuai Delta di Shua. Basta 6 row, tan 6 column. Kwanto mari?
Anong ano naman iko?
Ladies and gentlemen, passing by is the NCR PO band, adjutant brings the regiment to attention. The adjutant faces about, salutes and reports to the troop commander that the regiment
Practice ka. Sunod ikaw naman.
The troop commander directs the troop adjutant to take his post. Now, the troop commander will issue a series of commands to test the proficiency of the regiment in facing executions.
Banda sa pagsasanay sa harap
Hindi pa usaw.
harap sa kanan
Ayan siya.
harap
Ganda na yung ano mo.
Harap sa kanan or right face.
harap sa likod harap
Harap sa likod or about face.
harap sa kaliwa harap
Harap sa kaliwa or left face.
harap sa likod harap
Harap sa likod or about face. Now, the troop commander directs the troop adjutant to receive the report of the day.
kagabi na ulan ulan
Ayan si Gingging sa pangatlo. Dali yung boto ko.
The adjutant reports to the troop commander that the troop is all accounted for.
bro ang sampadaw ulan paglaman iyag kaupsan
Now, the publication of orders.
Ulit.
sa Otsan! Baba na talaga ngayon! Unang paglalaman!
Sa pangatlo.
Kaya alam niya eh.
Yan!
Ka rin?
Unang tagapaglaban! Lieutenant Colonel! Arge! Ayon sa utos! Komandante Colonel! Grupo! Mga Piluna! Marapat pumaginda!
Mga pinuno. Ayan o. Mga pinuno. Kumagitna na.
Guard!
Ang una siya kay, ano siya may? Ang galing tingnan.
Ladies and gentlemen, approaching are the officers of the PSPRC, Hachmandalik Silas. Let's give them a warm round of applause.
Yes, sir!
Sa ano? Sa tent. Ayun. Ayan.
Bali-bali ah. Magtabagay tayo, bali-bali yan. Parprat, sumalit ko. Kat!
Please all stand, and we would like to request the guest of honor and speaker to proceed in front for the presentation and honors.
Pugi ka man!
Lang po kayong dalawa.
Gama!
Sabi kayo.
pinunod kalpunan, huwag kamay. Na?
Malap na yun. Puro sigawan po. Pinaraktin sila. Oh.
Mga pinunod kalpunan, baba kamay. Na? Baba kamay! Na!
Honors, thank you and please be seated.
Ladies and gentlemen, for the trooping the line is the guest of honor and speaker, the Regional Director of the National Capital Region Police Office, Police Major General Anthony Abellada Aberin.
Kalawag tayo
He is
Palawan,
accompanied by
Ronaldo
the
Gamarcha.
National Capital Region Police Training Center, Police Colonel Marlon Ventura Rufo, the Troop Commander, Police Trainee Glenn Ray Vidal, and the two-star flag bearer, Police Executive Master Sergeant Romel Santonia, TESPO, NCR, PPC.
Dami na, ilan sila, ilan yan.
Ladies and gentlemen, we gather today to honor a distinguished officer whose life exemplifies dedication, integrity, and unwavering service to the nation.
Pinsan ni
Police Major General Anthony Abellada Aberin of the Philippine National Police. Born on August 23, 1970 in the Philippines, Police Major General Aberin answered the call to serve his country by enrolling in the Philippine National Police Academy, where he graduated as a proud member of the Tagapaglusa class 1993. From the outset of his career, he demonstrated a commitment to excellence and public safety. Throughout his distinguished career, Police Major General Aberin has held pivotal roles within the Philippine National Police. Notably, he served as the Director of the Police Regional Office 7, Central Visayas, where he led numerous successful operations against illegal drugs, gambling, and private armed groups. His leadership was instrumental in enhancing public safety and fostering community trust. In November 2024, he was appointed as the Director of the National Capital Region Police Office. In this capacity, he continues to uphold the values of service, honor, and justice, steering the NCRP towards greater efficiency and community engagement. A cornerstone of his leadership is the implementation of the AAA, an innovative framework emphasizing that every police officer should be able, active, and allied. General Aberin's career is a testament to his dedication to the Filipino people and his unwavering commitment to the principles of the Philippine National Police. Once again, the guest of honor and speaker, Police Major General Anthony Abellada Aberin.
Uno, dos, go!
Ito? Ito o dire? Ato o? Ah, ini o?
Please remain standing as we offer the massing of the Philippine National
Ini?
Anthem.
Ini?
Bugay kamay! Na! Mga pinunod kalpunan, huwag kamay. Na?
Ito ko? Ini. Ito na.
Mga pinunod kalapuna, baba kamay. Na?
Napilulong.
Baba kamay! Na!
To bless us this morning, please remain standing as we offer
Jo,
our
atugid
prayers
siya, May mo.
to the Almighty Father,
May,
to be led
atugid siya mo.
by Police Major Aline Salas, the Assistant Regional Pastoral Office.
Let us bow our heads and come before the Lord in prayer. Let us pray. Gracious God, we praise and thank you for all the good things you poured upon us,
Kaya rito hindi di siya
for giving us the opportunity to learn and be part of the PNP organization. We now beg for your blessings as we gather this morning for the recognition rights of PSBRC Batch 2024-02 Mandalig Silas.
Ato,
With
kilala ko to.
Police Major General Anthony A. Abirin, RD, NCRP,
Are, hindi na siya.
of Honor and
Ato.
Speaker. Lord, help the participants of this course to put into action what they have learned. Let their thoughts not only think of what could benefit themselves, but may they give their services for the benefit of all people. May all their efforts make them realize their visions, that they can fully and faithfully serve the country and their family, especially by the actions that they do. Finally, bless all of us, especially our leaders and the training staff for their untiring effort in contributing their expertise to them. May you lead us all to the rewards of your kingdom, where you live and reign forever and ever. Amen.
Please be seated, sirs and ma'ams.
Ladies and gentlemen, to deliver the welcome remarks for this significant event, may we request the Assistant Chief, National Capital Region Police Training Center, Police Lieutenant Colonel Vicente Hagit Jr. Sir.
To our esteemed guest of honor and speaker, the architect of the AAA policy, our ever supportive Regional Director, NCRPO, Police Major General Anthony A. Abirin, sir. To our Chief NCRPTC, Police Colonel Marlon V. Rufo, sir. Other NCRPO's key officers, distinguished guests, personnel and staff of NCRTC, members of PSBRC Batch 2024-02 Mandalig Silas, their families and loved ones. Ladies and gentlemen, a pleasant morning to all of you. We are gathered this morning to join the celebration of the recognition rights of PSBRC Batch 2024-02 Mandalig Silas. This ceremony is a time-honored tradition within the Philippine National Police, deeply rooted in our customs and traditions. Recognition is more than just an acknowledgement of completed training. It is a dedication to discipline and unwavering commitment of our police trainees demonstrated throughout their police training. With that, I proudly welcome everyone to the recognition rights of PSBRC Batch 2024-02 Classes Alpha to Hotel. Maraming salamat po at mabuhay ang bansang Pilipinas.
Thank you, sir, for the warm welcome. We will now proceed to the presentation of police trainees for recognition. May we request the officer in charge, non-academic section of the National Capital Region Police Training Center, Police Lieutenant Oliver Biara. Sir.
Harap sa loob!
Sa gitna gid sa may. Hari mo.
Paso loob!
Panggiyo yan lang daan. Grabe yan po. Gatakot niya. Di ba sa alta siya may, di ba? Sa letter A.
Sampara! Bro! Oh! Absolute! God!
Ayan siya, oh. Ayun, oh. Para gani siya. Ba plug ni nga yung letter A? Ba yung plug ng letter A, May? Ara siya, oh. Gani. Oh, makita siya. Ara siya, oh. Kama, oh. Oh, ara, oh. Na. Lapit sa plug nga letter A.
Sampara!
Yan. Yan, sige, i-inding sa lapit sa flag na letter A.
Academic Section, National Capital Region, Police Training Center. I have the honor to present to you the 455 strong members of the Public Safety Basic Recruit Course, Batch 2024-02, classes Alpha to India. Ready to be recognized, sir.
Thank you, sir. For the declaration of recognition, we would like to request the Chief National Capital Region Police Training Center, Police Colonel Marlon Ventura Rufo. Sir.
Declaration of recognition by the authority vested upon me by the Director, National Police Training Institute, Police Major General Ronald O. Lee, and in my capacity as the Chief, National Capital Region Police Training Center, I now declare the 455 strong members of the Public Safety Basic Recruit Course, Batch 2024-02, classes Alpha to India, recognized effective this day. Congratulations. Isang pagsama!
Thank you, sir. Please be seated.
At this juncture, we will request the guest of honor and speaker, Police Major General Anthony Abellada Averino, to be assisted by the Chief of the National Capital Region Police Training Center, Police Colonel Marlon Ventura Rufo. Other our senior officers, training staff, and distinguished guests for the opening of colors and giving of covenant handshake.
Yung lalaki. Tapos tatlong kasi ano lady mo Itali? Ay, wait lang. Ito stage ko lang. Malaki po. From the flag yan. From the flag. Pang 7? Pang 7? May 7 sa
You've been trying for sure to find out where your place is, but in their narrow minds, there's no room for anyone who dares to do something different. Oh, listen for a minute. Just the one who's been where you are, wishing all it was sticks and stones. Words cut deep, but they don't mean you're wrong. You're not invisible. There's so much more to life than what you're feeling now. Someday you'll look back on all these days, and all this pain is gonna be invisible. Your confidence is quiet. To them, quiet looks like weakness. But you don't have to fight, 'cause you're strong enough to win without. Every heart has a myth, that's yours without so loudly that everyone can hear. Yeah, I promise you don't need to hide it anymore. Oh, and never be afraid of doing something different. Tell me something more. Just the one who's been where you are, wishing all it was sticks and stones. Your words come deep, but they don't mean you're wrong. And you're just 'cause they don't understand. This moment, now you say you got a friend waiting back. Who you are and all you're gonna do. Yeah, so here's to you, and here's to anyone who's ever felt invisible.
nararamdaman namin yun. Hindi namin siya ma-identify, pero nararamdaman namin yun. Hindi na ako ganun eh, pinakangat ako ulo.
Ayan na, open collar na sila. na-recognize na sila bilang isang police training.
We request the other guests and senior officers, together with the staff, please go back to your respective seats for the continuation of the program.
Madam Claire. Madam Claire.
Once again, congratulations to the newly recognized police trainees of the batch Mandalig Silas. Let's give them the applause they deserve.
Let us witness the performance of the PSBRC Batch Mandalig Silas, the pride and honor of the NCR-PTC, as they showcase their skills and coordination on their mass release performance. Let us give them a round of applause. Once again, the Batch Mandalig Silas. Let's give them a round of applause. Magandang araw po sa ating panahuing pandangan at sa lahat ng mga bisita. Ngayon ay aming ipapakita ang isang simulated scenario at kung saan ang dalawang lasing na individual ay nagtangkang agawin ang baril ng isang pulis. Sa kabutihan pala, dahil sa maigpit na pagsunod sa Police Operational Procedures at sa direktiba ng ating Regional Director, Police Major General at si Ameliana Abirin ng NCRPO. Sa buhay ang prinsipyo ng AAA, ang pagiging able, active at allied ay naagapan ang insidente.
May grupo ng kalalakihang nag-iinuman sa tindahan ni Aling Nena. Dalawa sa kanila ang nagkainitan dahil sa laro ng basketball. Kaya ito pinaalis sa inuman. Habang naglalakad sa kalye, patuloy pa rin ang kanilang pagtatalo. Sa kanilang paglalakad, nasalubong nila ang dalawang pulis na nagsasagawa ng Police Visibility Patrol, isang inisyatibo na alinsunod sa utos ng Regional Director upang mapigilan ang krimen sa komunidad. Isa sa mga lasing ay nagsabing aagawin nila ang baril ng isa sa mga pulis. Sa pagkakataon ito, ang isang pulis ay aktibong nakikipag-ugnayan sa mga mamamayan upang mapalapit ang loob ng komunidad sa kapulisan. Isang halimbawa ng prinsipyo ng alay. Samantala, ang kanyang kasamahan ay matuloy sa pagmamatsyag upang maramdaman ng tunay na sila ay ligtas, isang patunay ng epektibong visibility.
Papansin natin si Patrolman Santos ay alert, hindi abala sa cellphone at laging handa sa anumang balita. Nang siya ay lapitan upang agawan ng baril, agad siyang kumilos upang pigilan ang pagtangkang pag-agaw. Sa tulong ng kanyang kaalaman sa self-defense at police intervention technique na bahagi ng regular na afternoon training ng mga trainees, ay nasabdyo niya ang suspect, napusasan at binasahan ng Miranda rights. Alinsunod sa itinakda na patakaran ng POP.
Dahil sa pagiging active ng ating mga pulis, agad na dumating si Corporal Reyes upang tumulong sa kanyang kasamahan. Ang kanilang mabilis na na aksyon at koordinasyon ay nagpapakita ng pagiging able, handang tumugon sa anumang insidente para sa kapakanan ng publiko.
Habang isa sa mga suspect ay tumakas, hindi nagkatubiling tumulong ang ating mga kababayan. Sa kanilang paikisa at pakikipagtulungan, nahuli rin ang ikalawang suspect. Ito ay malinaw na patunay ng pagiging alay, na may matibay na ugnayan ang kapulisan at ang komunidad sa pagtutulungan para sa kapayapaan. Ang insidenteng ito ay isang halimbawa ng epektibong police intervention technique sa pamamagitan ng pagiging able, active, at alay ay naagapan ang isang posibleng trahedya. Naway magsilbing inspirasyon ito sa ating lahat upang patuloy na sumunod sa tamang proseso at magtulungan para sa kapayapaan at kaayusan ng ating komunidad. Muli, ito ang AAA, the Regional Director at CRPO, Police Major General Anthony Abeliada Aberin.
Hindi pa daw sa Dondon mag-iwan. Malaman mo lang yan. Kilos ang lakas.
Before the ceremonial handover of savings, we would like to request the Chief of Academic Section, Training Specialist 3, Rowena Gimbes, to give a short history of the culture of frugality.
The culture of frugality and prudence within the National Police Training Institute traces its root to the leadership of retired Police Lieutenant General Ricardo Fernandez de Leon during his tenure as Philippine Public Safety College President in 2014. Recognizing the importance of financial discipline among future police officers, he laid a foundation for a mindset that promotes responsible financial management and ethical service. This initiative was further continued and implemented under the leadership of Police Major General Ramon Rafael and the succeeding NPTI directors, ensuring that trainees uphold the values of financial prudence and integrity. However, it was under the leadership of the current NPTI Director, Police Major General Ronald Oliver Lee, that this advocacy was significantly strengthened through the introduction of structured mechanisms like expenses committees in NPTI and selection committee in Police Regional Training Center to ensure that the money of trainees is secured from unauthorized expenses. Police Major General Lee has institutionalized programs that equip trainees with financial knowledge, discipline, and responsibility, ensuring that they are financially prepared after graduation. This measure not only helps them avoid financial mismanagement, but also safeguard them from engaging in corrupt practices due to financial struggles by embedding this culture early in their careers. The NPTI aspires to develop police officers who are technically grounded, financially secured, and dedicated to genuine public service. Moreover, the Regional Director of the National Capital Region Police Office, Police Major General Anthony Abeliada Aberin, directed the National Capital Region Police Training Center to ensure that the savings of police trainees is protected against unnecessary expenses to ensure saving after the graduation. Through these continuous efforts, the culture of frugality and prudence remain a cornerstone of police training, reinforcing the belief that a financially responsible police officer is a trustworthy and honorable servant of the people.
Thank you. And for the ceremonial turnover of savings, we would like to request the guest of honor and speaker, Police Major General Anthony Abellada Aberin, to be assisted by the Chief of NCRPTC, NCRPTC officers, and other distinguished guests. Goes to Police Trainee Angelbert Gloria Capiral with a total savings of 99,548 pesos. Police Trainee Capiral will turn over an amount from his savings to his parents. A commendation and certificate of appreciation for his outstanding financial discipline for achieving the third highest savings. The top two highest savings goes to Police Trainee Jerly Paul D. Naduma with a total savings of 99,846 pesos. Police Trainee Naduma will turn over an amount from his savings to his parents. Also, he will receive a commendation and certificate of appreciation for his outstanding financial discipline for achieving the second highest savings. And finally, the top one, highest savings goes to Police Trainee John Paul Tutan Liaban with a total savings of 100,479 pesos. Police Trainee Liaban will turn over an amount from his savings to his parents. From Isabela. Also, he will receive a commendation and certificate of appreciation for outstanding financial discipline for achieving the highest savings.
Rob, ang tubig, yung malamig. Lalapit na tayo. Pili mo yung malamig, ha? Yan. Ha?
Hindi mo ba sila doon na pupuntahan?
Pupunta, lalapit tayo.
Tayo pupunta sa kanila.
Dala ka pala, isa pa.
Sa lahat, ay salamat sa Panginoon sa Iubal dahil ginawa niyo posible ang lahat ng ito. Sa ating mga magulang, sa aking mga kapatid, maraming salamat po sa inyo. Kayo po ang naging inspirasyon ko sa pagtupad ng aking mga pangarap. Salamat po sa inyong walang sawang suporta para sa aking pag-aaral hanggang sa aking pagkain. Kung ano ang pinsang pulisya, lalo na ng pinsang Showbill ko.
Isa, Charlie,
Gusto ko rin pasalamatan ang mga staff ng NCRPTC.
tapat ng blackboard.
Ang sawang bubay sa amin. Dahil sa inyo, matangkad na yan. Bilang isang police training,
Wala kami.
handa kami maging matalino sa pagtulong misyon para sa aming kinabukasan,
Sabi nga ba nandun na?
aking mga papuwatan hindi tayo magpasin ng tama, suplana ng maaga, at ibang desisyon hindi lang sa aking personal na seguridad, hindi pati na rin sa katapatan at integridad natin bilang mga pulis. Muli, gusto po akong ipapasalamat sa aming ko sa kanyang masigasig ng pagpapatay sa aming kastusin at sa aming RD and sa Pilo, Major Lieutenant Anthony A. Avelin sa kanyang prinsipyo na observe the basics sa kaming paging principal pagkabay ng NCRPTC sa pagtulong sa amin. Isa lahat sa aming Director NPI Major General Ronald Ori o malasakit na nasunog ang patay ng pagsipon upang matiyak ang magandang kinabukasan ng bawat isa sa amin. Maraming salamat po sir sa inyong pamana at gabay. Muli, maraming salamat po at mabuhay tayong lahat. Isang bansa!
Was training John Paul Yaman. Let's give him another round of applause.
Ang mga officer yan.
For the families, friends, and loved ones, you may have the secret to receive hardships and perseverance during your training.
Malapit sa pole. Dito.
Ayun!
Ayun si Kuya. Pogi mo, Kuya. Susulat
tita. Ay, papa nakapesto. Tawagin ko sila dito. Ayun, may nasubukan ako. Uy, kakawayan daw. Dito ka Kuya James, tatlo ka lang tagal. Ayaw makita. Gaway-gaway. Ay, ito. James, saan ka muna? Parang nagkapulo.
Kapino lahat man naman yan.
Ay, namin. Bakit? Sa inyo ni Papa. Mababa lang yan. Ang dami na yung binayaran niyo. Nasa isa pa. Ano ba kumaubos? Ganun din, ikaw rin. Hindi ko lang ano. Dami na ganun. Magbibigay sa'yo sa paglabas. Okay na yun. Ang lakas mo. Malapit na yan. Malapit na. Saan tayo? Ang laki Tita. Tita Jenny, ay Tita Ani. Tita Ani, alis ka muna dyan. Okay na. Mamaya tayo. Kuya Jess? Parang biniyak kayo talaga. Alis ka muna na, sila naman yung sa eksena. Jangar! Masaya. Ano ba yan? Dito tuloy video. Gawa ka mo muna pang vlog na. Ah, 1, 2, 3. Jessa, ay Jen, dun ka din. Asa si Jen? Kuya Jess, video to? 1, 2, 3. Dahil yun nakagano. Ay, Jen, punta ka doon, Jen! Yan, o. 1, 2, cheese!
Wait lang, isa pa.
Meeting wagi! Yan na yun!
Last one.
Isa pa. Dali na! Punta ka! Bahawak ko muna. Sige. Thank you. Layo mo, Kuya Jess!
Ay, sir.
Okay na. Oh, Kuya Jess! Magaganda ka na, ha? Sinunod! Si Rade, sama din eh. Kaya memorize yan eh, mahirap. Kayo dalawa. Yes na. Ay, nanay, umalis ka naman na dyan. Pagdalawaan na lang na tayo na umalis. Ilayo mo muna si nanay. O, ikakarap na lang. Text data, kasi kitang buhay. Okay, malay ako. Sis na! Hindi ko pala ako. Charlie, si Trangan, tatay ko, nanay ko, lola ko, tita, kapatid, isa.
Hindi pa kayo kakain?
Kakain ko na kaya, ay pagkatapos nito, ay babalik kayo sa pwesto nyo.
Oo.
Tapos mag-mark ulit kami sa sayo. Ayun, TikTok. Nahamaan na kayo ni Mauricio. Tapos, babalik tayo. Saan pa tayo may pwesto sa kainan? Lapitan nyo kami pagka naghahali-hali na kami. Lalapitan? Di ba? Kasi alam ko na sa tayo eh. Yan sa tent. Sa tent. Sa likod. Dito, dito. Sa gilid. Sa gilid. Gitna. Sa gitna. Sa likod lang. Sinintay ka na ni Minmin do. Asa na siya na? Hindi ba kinukot na kanila yun? Ano sa tayo ba siya? Ay, pagkas nila yun. Sana dah sana ni ada di mana deh ada dryer. Kasih ni kasih ni. Dapat cari contoh di Kalimantan di mana? Di Kalimantan. Make up boarding.